Here we have noticed that Govinda was thinking superstitiously about he did not know what the reason behind the breaking trunk. Now look at the paragraph. Perhaps I have no right. I means Govinda Maharana. Perhaps I have no right. Who told? Govinda told. Govinda told to his wife to meddle the private lives of God. What is meddle? Here meddle means interfere. Here where is meddle? Meddle. MEDDLE. Meddle means interfere. Icon, idol making, religious Durga, Shiva. These are the making. This type of image is called as a idol making. So what is meddle? Meddle means interfere. Here Govinda suspected himself that perhaps he has no right to interfere the god's private lives, the personal lives of the god. That is why they are angry. Who are angry? God and goddesses are angry. Perhaps I have been of late using my powers too carelessly. First of all, he said that perhaps I have no right to meddle our lives of God. Second, he thought that perhaps I have used my power. Govinda had used his power too carelessly, and the icons he has been making are not exactly those my father would have been made in his time. Those his father would have been made in his time, perhaps Govinda had not made, and he made too carelessly. He doubted, he suspected. Sulochana looked at her husband with frightened eyes. Whose eyes are frightened? Govinda Maharana's eyes were frightened because he was staying in fear. All the day, for the entire day, superstitious was haunted for him. He could not reach at the conclusion. Perhaps he was right. She thought. Perhaps he was right. Who thought? Sulochana. But maybe he was growing older. Govinda was growing older. And his hands and eyesight were not as strong as before. Due to oldness, he got older, so that his eyesight is not clear. Maybe his eyesight may not be clear and may not be strong also, due to he was growing older. Who thought? Sulochana thought. So who was Sulochana? Govinda Maharana's wife. You must be tired walking without break, she said, her words betraying her simplicity. You must be tired. Govinda Maharana must be tired, walking without a break. Breathlessly he was walking, making images. Who said? Sulochana said. You know what day it is? He studied her for a moment and continued. And I am already late on Lord's Ganesha. He was already late on Lord's Ganesha. What had gone wrong? He could not understand. Govinda could not understand what had gone wrong. Making an image was child's play for him. Making an image for Govinda Maharana was a child's play for him. Only in this case what happened? The idol was somewhat larger than most. Maybe it larger, or the trunk a little heavier, trifle longer. What is trifle? Trifle means, your right means justice. Trifle means a thing of little value. Trifle means a thing of little value. So that here we notice that he got suspected. He has suspicion about his making criterias. So somehow maybe the idol was larger than the needed things, maybe heavier, maybe a trifle longer. That was all. Perhaps the clay he had been using was just the measure sort of its adhesive quality. From tomorrow we will read this paragraph. So this is what we say. We got the points about. First, look at this sentence. Govinda Maharana was an image maker. For Govinda Maharana, everything seems wrong. First point. An unhappy incident kept him worrying. He was worrying about an unhappy incident. That was the breaking of trunk of Ganesha. Next, having in that thought, the tea glass was slipped from his hand. Fear was seen in his consciousness. What was seen? Fear was seen. That fear haunted his everyday life. He was unable to relax because different type of blind belief superstitions came to his mind. So Govinda had learnt the trade from his father, idol making. Then Govinda's thought were his doubts. Was the way heavy to support? Was the way of Lord Ganesha image heavy to support? Whether there is no right to interfere, to meddle with the private lives of the gods? He might be using his power. May he be using his power to carelessly making the image, or not exactly made as his father's making, how the father of Govinda Maharana was making the image. It may be dissimilar to his making. Then Sulochana thought that it may be due to his old age, tired work. Then the next paragraph we will see later. Vande Mataram.